Let's pack my bag. Hand cream. I just got this lipstick. It's so pretty. Alien perfume. It's so good. Gotta have a portable charger. Hand sanitizer. Some lip gloss. I'm gonna carry this pouch as a wallet. Just keeping my cards in here. Stick it in this pocket. And then I'm gonna take this cute little mirror. Kleenex. And then this mini emergency kit, I took everything out of it and I put it in here, but I'm going to show you guys what's in it. So I took it all out, so we're going to pack this little mini bag. Nail file, Band-Aid, lip balm, sewing kit, breath drops, pain reliever, deodorant wipe, double-sided tape, stain remover, nail polish remover, and then it also comes with clear nail polish, but I don't need that. So it's packed, but everything fits. Is this not the cutest thing? So it's actually a bag charm, but it's perfect for this, and it's not taking up any space in my purse. I forgot the mini hairspray. Squeeze it in. My dry shampoo, lip balm, my portable lint roller because I have dog. I'm going to take an extra deodorant wipe. Love this lip exfoliator. Butt wipe and beaver wipe. And I'm just sticking them in there because I'm not going to carry a whole lot of stuff. And then my other phone. Obsessed. I will link whatever I can in my storefront.